Next application, acidic strength. So any atom or group which shows the positive inductive effect, okay, positive inductive effect that decreases acidic strength, okay, positive inductive effect decreases acidic strength. So why? Because negative charge on carboxylate ion gradually increases. Negative charge on carboxylate ion which holds hydrogen atom that gradually increases. So acidic strength decreases for atoms or groups which shows the positive inductive effect due to increase in negative charge on carboxylate ion which holds hydrogen. Okay. For example, different carboxylic acids, formic acid, okay, acetic acid, propanoic acid, butanoic acid, okay. So order of strength. Formic acid is greater than acetic acid. Acetic acid is greater than propanoic acid, which is greater than butanoic acid. Okay? And if groups or atoms which shows negative inductive effect, they are more acidic because negative charge on the carboxylate ion gradually decreases. Okay? So, group or atom which shows negative inductive effect increases acidic strength. So why? Because charge on carboxylate ion gradually decreases. Okay, so due to charge on carboxylate ion decreases. Due to charge on carboxylate ion decreases. Okay. For example, halogen substituted carboxylic acids are there. Okay. Fluoroacetic acid, chloroacetic acid, bromoacetic acid and iodoacetic acid. So fluoroacetic acid, this is greater than chloro, which is greater than bromo, which is greater than iodine. So this is the order of carboxylic acid which having halogen atom. Okay. Next, if more than one halogen atom is present, for example, trichloroacetic acid is there. Okay. Trichloroacetic acid. So trichloroacetic acid, this is more acidic than dichloro, which is more acidic than chloro, which is more acidic than simple acetic acid. Okay. So here, as negative charge on the carboxylate ion gets decreases and acidic strength gradually increases. Okay. Then coming to aromatic alcohols and aliphatic alcohols. So aromatic alcohol, phenol. Phenol is more acidic in nature. Why? Because negative inductive effect is there than the alcohol. Okay. So where positive inductive effect takes place. Okay. And in between this, water is there. Okay. So phenol is more acidic than water. Water is more acidic than aliphatic alcohols. Okay. So phenol is more acidic than alcohol. Why? Because in phenol negative inductive effect is there. Alcohol positive inductive effect. Okay. So order of acidic strength, phenol is greater than H2O is greater than alcohol. Okay. Next coming to basic strength. Basic strength of the as a application of inductive effect over bases. Basic strength. Next, basic strength. So in basic strength, due to positive inductive effect, basic strength gradually increases. And due to negative inductive effect, basic strength decreases. For example, if we take amines, which are derivatives of ammonia. Okay. So positive inductive effect plus I effect increases basic strength. And a minus I effect, negative inductive effect, decreases basic strength. Positive inductive effect increases basic strength. Negative inductive effect decreases basic strength. Okay. And if more substituents are present in amines, which is called steric factor. So steric factor of tertiary amines, due to steric factor of the tertiary amines, they are not more basic than secondary amines. Okay. So tertiary amines, so nitrogen in amine, that is linked with 3 alkyl groups, tertiary amines. Okay. So more steric hindrance is there. Okay. So due to steric factor, tertiary amines may not be more basic than secondary amines. So due to steric factor, tertiary amines may not be more basic than secondary amines. Okay. But overall, positive inductive effect increases basic strength and negative inductive effect decreases basic strength. For example, secondary amine. Okay. Basic strength of secondary amine greater than primary amine. Secondary amine is greater than primary amine. Primary amine, here ethyl group is there, alkyl group is ethyl group. If it is replaced with methyl group, so it is greater than methyl amine. Okay. And methyl amine is greater than ammonia. Ammonia is greater than phenylamine. So aromatic amine, primary amine, C6H5NH2. So this is the order of basic strength. Next coming to stability of carbocation. Stability of carbocation. Okay. So stability of carbocation directly proportional to positive inductive effect and inversely proportional to negative inductive effect. So stability of carbocation directly proportional to plus I effect, inversely proportional to minus I effect. Okay. So this is about stability of carbocation. Next, last coming to dipole momentum. Dipole momentum. So here negative inductive effect increases across a bond. Dipole momentum also increases. Okay. So as a negative inductive effect increases along the bond, dipole momentum also increases. Okay, so as negative inductive effect increases, dipole momentum also increases. Okay, CS3I is less than CS3Br, is less than CS3Cl, is less than CS3F. Okay.